Sorry. Once upon a time, deep in the woods, on the top of the highest mountain you couldn't even see, there was a little lamb who thought to be a bird. He was singing and dancing all the time, and nevertheless he could fly. Nobody in the forest told him what was really happening, and everybody pretended to live in peace, listening to him and how he sang and danced. So now you're 18, it's time we had a little talk. Sure, but we have plenty of talks over years. Yeah, today is different. I feel it's time I tell you some truths. Oh, I'm not in the mood that, but if you insist, so tell me what is happening. Oh? Well, son, what I'm trying to tell you is that perhaps you don't look like your mother or me and your sisters and brothers. You are a very small lamb and you don't have the eyes of the family. Yes, perhaps you have supposed that. No, I didn't. Well, um, well, if you look at my feet and you see I'm flying, but son, I think that you cannot do that. Look at a little bit yourself. You're a very small lamb. You are not stronger and Dad, I think that I'm flying. Oh, it's awesome. What a good sensation. I'm feeling pretty well. Oh, Dad, I think that I'm happy. Eventually, he turned into a bear, even after his father told him